Beauties, my name is Chanel and today I'll be channeling you guys up on this amazing hair. But before I do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Afterwards, click onto that bell so you don't miss out on any videos like these. This is my model today, you guys. This is my sister. I am in love with her hair. This is all her natural hair that's on her head right now. But right now she's showing you guys a nappy hair, which is the hair that we're using today. Super bomb and gorgeous hair, you guys. Lots of you guys, I mean tons of you guys request for natural hairstyles, and that's exactly what I am going to do for this year. I'm going to bring you guys some more natural hair because at the same time we want to be extra, but you gotta love what you got, you know. So anyways, what she's doing right now is she's parting her hair and she's going to show you guys step by step on how to apply the first clip-in. So she snap off it first and then she's going to insert it onto her hair as a barrier just to hold that on those clip-ins, and then snap and lock those clip-ins, if that makes any type sense. But yeah, so she's gonna go ahead and secure that, and then afterwards she's gonna get a thin layer of hair, apply that right on top of that, and then do the same steps again. So that is all that you need to know when it comes to applying the clip-ins. Now, as far as Knappy Hair Company, you guys, you need to look into them. They're like the best of the best when it comes to natural clip-ins. Like, I am a believer. You got to pick this up if you are a natural girl like me and is looking for some length like my sister and I, or extra fullness. This is one that you must have. Anyways, you guys, they have all type of textures and their shipping is like 2 to 3 business days if you're in the US. They do ship international, and that typically takes like 3 business days with DHL shipping, which is amazing for my girls all over the world. So you wait, can we acknowledge her length? Like, yes, all you need is about like 4 more inches. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Yeah, so that typically takes like 3 business days, and that's great for all over the world. And I'm so excited because my girls from all over always ask, you know, do they do international shipping? So yes, they do. So I love them for that. Anyways, let me explain to you guys what she's doing right now. So my sister do not like to lay down her edges like I do. Like, I like the waves and all that. I like it to be swim, so they hate on me. Anyways, but she don't like that. If you are one that don't like laying down your edges, or if you're like me, either or with clip-ins, I highly suggest that you do not clip in your edges, because your edges are like the most delicate things ever throughout your whole head. So you see, the main thing with clip-ins where people go wrong is that they say, oh yeah, the clip-ins broke off my hair. Well, no, hun. It's because you either, one, apply the clip-ins too close to your roots, or 2, you apply them onto your edges. As my model is demonstrating, you as well can go ahead and do a heatless protective style. So she wants to add some waves, so she went ahead and braided her hair, went ahead and slept overnight, and there you have it. You have some waves. Or you can grab onto your curling iron and curl it up, because again, you guys, this is human hair, so you guys can go ahead and add some style with having your clip-ins in and matching your very own texture. You guys remember, nappy hair have all type of textures, so you guys want to click over and pick yours up. I am a believer. I am in love. I'm just like lost of words right now, because I wish I had like found them like earlier down my life so I don't give myself like heat damage and just keep it as is. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, you guys, to like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. Also, you guys, I am going to be giving away a package of this hair. So this is a celebration to hitting 20K. I know we're already at 30K practically, but you guys just grow so much. I just don't even, I blink and it's like, wow. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Love you. Make sure you comment down below and look at the description down below to know how to enter the giveaway. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, like I say, till next time.